Ready? Cross your fingers.
Well, I was going to film it anyways on my phone.
All right. Hi. Come in. My name is Judy, and I'm here with Words with Bears. I hear this a lot. I wish I knew another language. I hear this from all kinds of people. So why are all of these people saying, man, I wish I knew another language, instead of, yo hablo español? Language learning, it's hard and it takes a lot of work. We want to make language learning fun and easy. Instead of reading the foreign word for jump on a flashcard, flipping it over and reading the text of what it means in English, instead, we'll listen to the word being said, get shown the action, and then repeat the action back, thus learning with our bodies. Like this. So this is using a Kinect.
This is a Kinect. It's about yay big. And Judy right now is going to demonstrate how the Kinect maps her body using a 3D infrared sensor, so you can see her wiggling about on the screen. Now to start the program, she will swipe her arm.
You guys need to.
Oh, sorry. No. So I swipes my arm to call up the next word,
To
which
call
was
up
jump.
the bear.
And you can't hear it, but it says jump.
So the idea is that we're at this point in history that we've never had before. The Kinect is a revolutionary technology. It's perhaps the most groundbreaking interface technology since the mouse. And for the first time in the history of human life, we can map actions to words and to sounds. So the idea is now we can finally capitalize on decades of research that tells us that there are multiple intelligences, like the Howard Gardner theory, or that there's associative learning, there's bodily mnemonics that we can create that will associate the actions that we do with the words of another language. Just to give you an idea of how amazing and revolutionary and what the market potential is like for the Kinect, the Kinect broke the Guinness Book of World Records record for the fastest selling consumer electronic products ever. Faster than the iPhone, faster than the iPad, 10 million plus in 6 months. Just to give you an idea of how broad and open this territory is for apps, there's 800 apps available for the Kinect right now. One of those is available for the computer. 4 of those are education. None of them are language learning apps. And just to validate the idea that the Kinect is a consumer project that Microsoft is really behind and really developing, 2 days ago, they launched an accelerator that's only going to encourage products built around the Kinect. So here's an idea of our project roadmap. We first want to launch for a particular audience, so parents for kids ages 4 to 10, thus the Words with Bears. To do that, we're going to need to recruit an education advisor who can help us know more about the way that kids' brains work and really test out our theories on how education games are going to teach language. We want to start with a native app for the computer because, as I just mentioned, there's only one app available for the computer, and we really think this market is going to grow. What's more people have a computer than have an Xbox, so the market has more potential right now. We're going to incorporate the voice recognition technology that's in the Kinect in order to incorporate learning by speaking at a later point. And we do have a super secret strategy for world domination that I'm going to tell you right now. We're not just developing an amazing software that's going to be engaging for kids. It's not just going to be for kids. It's going to be a platform upon which developers of any kind can build a language learning deck. So that if you have, let's say, a software engineer in India who needs to be able to tell a person in America to restart their computer to get it to work, they'll be able to have a language learning deck for that. If you're going to have like let's say there's a woman who's really in love with Italian food and like really dreams about being Julia Child and going out to Italy and learning how to make an amazing linguine con vongole. There'll be a deck for her to learn food, language, food and travel associated vocabulary. To give you an idea of what we think our advantage is as a company, Startup Weekend has gathered huge amounts of talent in all of us. We all have things that we're contributing to this team. We have a former Connect team member, so we have an idea of what Microsoft and Connect are interested in. We have an active Bay Area gamer. We have Ivy League douchebags who like to build businesses and are really kind of ambitious. And we have amazing open source developers from Mozilla, and we have a passion for education and technology, which can't be beat. So don't just learn with words, live the language!